Workiz doesn't use a single fixed price because the cost changes based on the plan level, number of users, and which field service tools a business needs. By the end, you'll understand how Workiz pricing is structured, what actually affects the final cost, and how to estimate what you'd realistically pay before signing up. Workiz is a field service management platform built for service businesses that handle scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication. Instead of charging one flat rate, it organizes pricing around plan tiers that unlock different levels of features and operational tools. Now explain what plan tiers mean. Plan tiers are different versions of the software that include more advanced tools as you move up, such as automation features, reporting, and team management capabilities. Higher tiers usually support larger teams and more complex workflows. Now explain what affects price. The biggest factor is the level of features included in the plan, because more automation and reporting tools typically sit in higher tiers. The second factor is team size, since more users usually increase the total monthly cost. Now explain what you're actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one system that handles job scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication in a single platform. That matters because many businesses use multiple separate tools for these tasks, which can increase overall software costs when stacked together. Now, explain who uses it. Workiz is mainly used by field service companies like locksmiths, HVAC technicians, cleaning services, and other mobile service businesses. Now explain why pricing feels confusing. Pricing can feel unclear because the real cost depends on which features a business actually activates, instead of a simple one-size subscription. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking Workiz is priced like a simple app, when in reality it scales based on business operations and how many tools are being used inside the system. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Workiz pricing is not by looking for a single number, but by comparing how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow. Now simplify it. Workiz pricing is structured around business size and operational needs, not a flat monthly fee that applies to every user. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller businesses usually focus on core scheduling and invoicing tools, while larger teams often need automation, reporting, and multi-user coordination features, which increases overall cost. Do this next. List the tools you currently use for scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. Then compare that list to what Workiz replaces in one system. If Workiz replaces multiple subscriptions, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler platform may fit better.